All right. All right, so here's one baby. She's purring. There you go. Tell these people your name. Say, my name is Karen. My name's Karen. My name's Karen. Da, 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 da. Come on, follow me. Oh, wait. So this is Karen. She has a moderate white spot underneath. And she loves to purr. And we're already kneading. Huh? Karen. And then, here we go. Gretchen Wieners. The loudest of the bunch. Are you going to say hi? She's like, I don't like it. She just ate. She's fine. She's just a very loud girl. She also purrs, but less. Karen and Gretchen. And the pièce de la résistance. The queen bee. Regina George. Oh, let me show you Gretchen's. I mean, yeah. Gretchen's little spot. Gretchen's more pronounced. I know. Regina George is already up in my shirt trying to find her nipple. Regina George. Regina George. A little bit fluffier than everybody else. The quietest, but the most aggressive eater. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Trying to keep you guys all in one spot is very difficult. Yes, well, it looks like Regina would like some more food. So I'm going to go do that. And let these guys get warm again. All right.